Our bodies engage in a variety of activities during the day. As a result, we can experience lots of wear and tear physically, mentally, and emotionally. But as we partake in our day-to-day affairs, there are other activities that go on internally that we are most likely not aware of. As mentioned in a previous video, according to Chinese medicine, our bodies have an organ clock. This organ clock directs the maintenance and repair of each organ within 2-hour windows. The previous video discusses what organs undergo repair while we sleep. This video will discuss the maintenance and repair that occurs between 5 a.m. and 9 p.m., a time that many of us are very active. From 5 a.m. to 7 a.m., the large intestine undergoes maintenance. Its job is to break down food, absorb nutrients and solidify waste. So if you habitually excrete solid waste at this time, this might be why. Also, when the large intestine is challenged, there can be a tendency for loose stools to occur. From 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. the stomach engages in repair. The stomach's job is to break down food into material the body can absorb and use. If you typically feel hungry between these hours, this might be why. If the stomach is challenged, you may experience heartburn or other pain frequently during this period. From 9 a.m. to 11 a.m., the spleen undergoes renewal. The spleen protects the body by removing germs and old damaged blood cells that enter the blood. The spleen also regulates the number of white and red blood cells as well as platelets. If the spleen is disrupted, you might experience pain or fullness in the upper left area of the stomach after eating or without eating, as well as heartburn. From 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., the heart rejuvenates and makes needed adjustments. The heart carries blood and other nutrients to the brain and other vital organs. During this process, some may experience a time of high energy, while others may feel fatigue, weakness in the wrist, arm pain, chest pain, or palpitations. From 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., the small intestine undergoes maintenance and repair. The small intestine breaks down food into liquid form, enabling nutrients from the food to be absorbed. Some may feel gassy, experience low energy or bloating, and brain fog during this time. From 3 p.m. to 5 p.m., the bladder engages in the healing processes. The bladder is a fluid collection site for urine the kidneys have made. A healthy bladder can hold up to 2 cups of urine. This is a period of detoxification for the body, as the bladder releases liquid waste. From 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. the kidneys undergo upkeep. The kidneys perform a variety of functions. This includes removing excess fluid, regulating blood pressure, filtering waste, sustaining the body's chemical balance, maintaining the blood's proper pH, and helping to regulate red blood cell production. Some, with healthy kidneys, might experience a surge of energy, while others, whose kidneys are challenged, might experience a lack of energy during this time. From 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., the pericardium engages in needed alterations and adjustments. The pericardium is a sac that surrounds the heart. It acts as a layer of protection and a lubricant. It keeps the heart in place within the chest. When this area of the body is challenged, a person might experience chest pain or palpitations. So, if you experience pain or discomfort during the day, consider all the processes your body undergoes. To learn simple ways to strengthen specific organs, watch our future videos at Health Made Simple. And take care of your body, as it strives to take care of you. Give us a like if you found this information useful. And hit subscribe if you would like to hear more of this content. Thank you for watching. And know that at Health Made Simple, we are committed to helping you be healthy.